Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, front performance tires, rear performance tires, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front disc and rear drum brakes, front wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.